Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It is me, Michelle. So today I am showing you guys how I do my nails for the 40th anniversary of Pac-Man. So I will be actually uploading this the day of the actual 40th anniversary, which is Friday, May 22nd. Yes, Friday, May 22nd. So I've already put my base coat on my nails. I am now putting the yellow, red. The red is a Maybelline gel color. I don't remember the name of it. The Orly is like tropical color. That yellow is actually by Color Club. Is actually my favorite yellow nail polish. So I'm just adding all of the colors. This is julep. So I don't remember the name of this julep polish either. So I'm making the colors of the ghost now. And this is OPI, Pinking of You. It's a really pretty baby pink color. So I'm just putting that on. So then I come back, I've already put 2 coats on each nail. And now is for the fun part. So I'm taking this Black LA Colors Art Deco. I've had this for a long time. I'm shocked it wasn't dried out. But I do not like the way the brush was. And I don't know where my nail brushes are. So I'm just filling in for the opening for Pac-Man. And I'm trying my hardest to work with this brush. And then I'm going to put Pac-Man's eye on. I didn't realize, oh, there I go. So I'm putting it in a frame now. So now I'm drawing triangles. And this brush gave me a lot of problems. So I'm drawing triangles on the ends of my nails to mimic the ghost on the game, how they got the little triangles on their ends so you can just like see the shape of the ghost. But yeah, that's all I can say. So I struggle with this brush the whole time I'm doing it. And plus, like, I'm trying to record it and make the triangles that that did not go very well. I just like the edges wasn't sharp, and then when I try to fix it, it make it too big and it just was all over the place. So I was like, you know what, never mind, I ain't gonna stress myself about this. Now I'm trying to see if it's going to be better with a nail dotter, and the answer is it is not. It is definitely not going to be better with a nail dotter. So I'll go back to the brush. That brush just, whew, that thing stressed me out so bad. And I'm taking my time. Like, this video is sped up, and even with it sped up, it's still not like going super fast where like it would justify this brush acting like this. But yeah, and this is part of the reason sped up. So you see, I'm trying to like get a better point, and then it's like, you know what, now I gotta make this one, and then I'm just like, you know, we're just gonna move on. So we're on to the pink ghost, and it seems to be working out a little better. So I will say, I did my non-dominant hand off camera, and because I had a little bit more control, the triangles came out a little better because I wasn't trying to like hold it to record it and be in frame and stuff. So it came out a little better than this side. So I am now about to take the white polish in the nail dotter to start making the eyes for the ghost. So the ghost eyes gonna go up, down, and side to side. So I decided to do each side differently. Well, do each ghost eyes differently. So I'm using the white and the nail dotter to just put the eyes on. I make them a little bigger than the actual dot, just so that way when I put the black on it, you can still see the white of the eye and it'll look like the ghost. That's what I am doing now. Yay, fun times, right? I used to play Pac-Man on, I want to say my Sega Genesis. I don't know, it's been so long. And then they came out with the Atari game thing. I don't remember the name of it. So I'm putting his eyes up. Yeah, I jacked that up. So I just decided to put both his eyes going to the side. I was actually doing a couple other things too. So it just became very interesting trying to make sure my nails didn't get hit. So I'm putting their eyes down. So after this, I now go off camera to put my other nails on. So I'm now going to put on my top coat. And I put a little bit more than normal only because I don't want the black to smear. So it's easier to kiss, like, and they were a little dry because I let them dry a little bit. So I did put a little bit extra on there, and I did try to see. I went in with the yellow and fixed that off camera, that Pac-Man, because that was driving me crazy with the way that was looking. So, and that's it. So this is my Pac-Man. Oh yeah, I'm about to dry it with my drying stuff. This does help it dry a little faster. I still let them air dry naturally. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in another one. And thank you for watching, subscribing if you have. Peace.